We hit a dead end, and our feet down, we're swimming. It will make sure we sink it into the deep end. Why do I dive in? And our feet down, we're sinking. Down, down, down into the deep end. Dark, you keep trying to hide the scars.